There's one slang pattern that turns almost any word into a cute way to say total beginner. Once you spot it, you'll see it everywhere. Let's crack the code.
헬린이 주린이
Here's the trick behind both words. Means child. Koreans stick onto a topic to mean a beginner, someone as new and clueless as a little kid. Cute, right? Let's see it in action.
리니는 어린이에서 왔어.
First, take the gym plus child. A is a gym newbie, someone who just started working out and doesn't know the machines yet.
나 이제 막 시작한 헬린이야.
Say 헬린이, escaping newbie status, finally leveling up. Say it with a laugh, I'm a total gym baby.
저 완전 헬린이에요.
Your bias posts a gym vlog, fumbling with a machine, laughing at how lost they are. The comments rush to reassure them.
괜찮아, 나도 헬린이야. 같이 배우자.
You mostly use words about yourself, humbly. Calling yourself is a friendly way to admit you're new, so nobody expects you to be an expert yet.
아직 헬린이라 잘 몰라요.
Word 2. Take stocks plus. A is a newbie investor who just opened a trading app and has no clue what they're doing.
저 주식 처음이에요. 주린이에요.
Say 주린이. You'll see it in video titles all the time. Must know terms for beginner investors. It's the go-to word for finance newbies.
주린이도 이해하는 설명이야.
Your friend buys one share, watches it dip 2%, and instantly panics. You laugh, because you were there last month too.
얘야, 진정해. 완전 주린이 티나.
See the recipe? Becomes. Just grab a topic and add. The meaning is always the same, a beginner at that thing.
앞 단어만 바꾸면 돼.
Word 3 is really a formula. Pick any hobby and drop on it. New to cooking? New to golf? Instant beginner word.
요리 초보. 요린이지.
Perfect for us. A brand new K-pop fan is a rookie stan still learning the words. Wear it proudly, everyone started there.
저 이제 막 입덕한 덕린이에요.
You just joined the fandom and ask a super basic question in the chat. Instead of judging, the fans welcome you warmly.
저 덕린이라 다 모르는데 알려주세요.
One heads up. Because compares grown-ups to little kids, some people find it slightly controversial or too cutesy. It's safest about yourself, not to label someone else.
남한테 붙이면 좀 그럴 수 있어? 나한테만.
Warning time. Is trendy internet slang. It's plus, child, meaning a beginner, so is a gym beginner and is a stock beginner. Slang like this spreads fast and can fade fast. Keep it casual and friendly, never formal.
리니는 어린이. 슬랭이라 팬끼리만 격식엔 안 써.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Gym beginner. Stock beginner. A beginner at anything.
헬린이. 주린이. 덕린이.
Your mission, build your own word in the comments. Are you Tell me what you're new at, in Korean. I'll reply to my favorites. Subscribe for more slang.
댓글에 너만의 리니 만들어봐.